Are you kidding me? I bet we got another train coming. Check it out. Are you serious, man? Piggybacks and double stacks. Man, he was motoring, Jack. That piggyback and double stacks were pulling 83 double containers and piggyback. He was boogieing, Jack. Lots of UPS and ABF freight and Estas. They were carrying everything, man. Symbol of that train was BNSF ES44C4. That train here originates at Willow Springs, Illinois, by Chicago. Heads west, going to North Bay, California. Met that train pulling 177 leading mixed freight. That train here originates at Galesburg, Illinois. Heads west, going to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Kind of a race train to me. On this Saturday, April 13, 2024, by Tyler McCulley, Wide World of Trains, and BNSF on YouTube land. Below comment, you get a comic section with our ups, trailers, and ABF freight and BNSF. Give YouTube a like. I appreciate it, from Wide World of Trains. Here's the next video. Roll it.